I am not a mechanic and I know very little about fixing cars. But today, we're going to replace this headlight on my 2009 Subaru Outback. Okay, first step, pretty self-explanatory. Gonna pop the hood. Okay, there's actually a lot more mud down here than I thought. That may or may not have been a result of my splashing through the mud video, which I did not actually think about, but that is what all of this is. It's even up on the top here. Yeah, that's gotta be all from that video. Okay, upon closer examination, the air intake filter is fine, so there's no water or mud in there, so I think everything will be okay. It just looks a little dirty, which is not ideal, but. Okay, back to the headlight. So it is this bulb that we have to replace. This is the high beam. This is the one that's bad. And so it looks like we're going to have to remove this washer fluid little cap thingy. So we just gotta pull this clip out and then move that to the side. Okay, after having consulted a YouTube video, we're going to twist this plastic cap on the back of the headlight off. He claimed that. Oh. Okay, yeah, we literally just twisted. And then there is the headlight piece that we need to remove in order to pull out the bad one. Okay, so I pulled off this little plastic thing that went on the end here. Just pull that off. And then this little pin comes down. Oh yeah, and out. And then you can pull out the bulb. This is the bad one, so let's get the new one and put it in. All right, we have new bulb here. Careful not to touch the glass so it doesn't explode. And then you have to kind of like fiddle with it. Okay, after much finagling, I figured it out. There's a little notch on this other side, right there, that little metal thing has to slip into. And then once it's notched like that, then you can put this little pin back over it. Just like that. And then once that little metal pin is over it, you can connect that piece of plastic back up again. Then once that's done, you just gotta put that big old plastic thing back on to hide all of it. Back like that. Okay, and then all you have to do is put this washer fluid thing back on. Maybe. If it. Hold on. Okay, like that. Once that's back in, then we just gotta test and see if it works. Thank you all for watching my little replacement tutorial video. I know there are countless more videos that are way more detailed and probably more professional, but I just want to make this for fun, so thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.